What's the next big trend in, I guess, customer expectations for amenities? And let me start with you, Josh. What do you
Uh,
see coming down the road?
Something which we've kind of hit on it, and actually I've implemented on my stores is lighting. I'm a huge proponent in bright light. I hate shadows. You can walk into any of my locations. There's no shadow anywhere. I have bright LED lighting. I think even Bruce may have talked about it having a wow factor.
Mhm.
A lot of time my lighting is my wow factor. If anybody ever checks out my one of my stores, I mean, I've actually the Oklahoma Film Society. If they need to film a movie in laundromats, I get the call for it because I mean, it's super cool. I mean, it's a 90-foot long fixture that I built myself. I'd never recommend it. It took me 2 weeks to build it myself. It's terrible, but it's bright. It's a anyway. I won't get into it. There's really cool pictures. It's been in magazines and stuff already.
Neat.
But anyway, but I say the lighting is great. Just brightness. I said a lot of laundromats I go to, they don't use heat and air very well. I mean, my stores are cold in the summer, warm in the winter, and so that type of deal. So I know that's people want to feel like they're at home. They don't want to come and have to bundle up in a coat in the wintertime, if you're up, if you're in the north or wherever. But
Right,
then
right.
also, as we said, utilizing technology is really big, and which I said I'm trying to do. But I said I think the big thing I'm seeing now, people just want shorter wait times, which I'm like, I don't know how I can get you any shorter, man. It's 24 minutes
Right.
for a wash and 32 minutes to dry. Come on now.
Yeah.
So, but I will say, but on my wash and fold, I know we used to be 2-day turnaround. Our standard is now next day, and then we do offer same day if someone wants to pay extra. You want to pay 50% more? Yeah, we'll get you out in 5 hours. That type of thing. So we do so on the wash and fold. That's probably a little bit more what we're seeing between that and the custom soaps. Custom scents. A lot of people ask about scent. So.
Yeah, great. No, great, Josh. Bruce, how about yourself? What do you see as the next trend coming down the road?
It's hard for me as I think about that question to not think about us three on this panel. This type of store is what the future is. It's the days of the 1970s wood paneling and the 45-year-old Wascomat and the old extractor in the corner. If that still exists, you need to start thinking about changing your ways and modernizing your store, running a bright, clean facility.
Mhm. Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. And Carly, I'm going to give you the last word. What trends are you seeing amenities wise?
Yeah, just like
Hmm.
everyone said, and what we're talking about here, innovative thinking. And it can be and everyone has a different scale depending on their community size, their store size, on how big you can go. All of our stores here are probably in more of a non-rural community, so we have the room to grow and have a lot of those extra amenities. But um, having kids areas, bilingual signage, coffee bars, lounge spaces, good music, again, places where people want to be. And then personally, like I said before, I'm just really excited to see the aesthetics being something that's thought about in a
Yes.
Yeah.
laundromat. Obviously we all think about the machines and the machine mix and how a customer is going to use the store, but going above and beyond that, thinking about, okay, I'm the customer. What do I want to have here to be able to do my personal laundry here? That's my standard for my store. I tell my staff all the time, if you wouldn't do your laundry in there, you need to clean it.
Right. Yeah.
That should be the standard for all stores, all owners, and that's not. So I think that's a big part of the change. Um, yeah, just a place that people want to be and walk in and have that. Wow, I've never seen a laundromat like this.
Yeah.
Right.
You're on the right track.